Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how to turn off audio call or how to disable audio call on Facebook Messenger. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your application to the latest version. So then let us get started. So first of all, you'll have to open up your Messenger application. Now in case if you don't want to receive any audio calls or if you don't want any distraction, so what you can do is just simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. So after that, just scroll down and look for notification and sound. After you tap on notification and sound, all you have to do is you'll have to disable it or you'll have to turn it off. Just tap on the button and right in center there is a pop-up. So now you'll have to select the time period accordingly. So you can see there are a list of options, so select it accordingly that you want. And once you're done, just simply tap on OK. Now you'll no longer receive any notification on Messenger. Now the other thing what you can do is you have to go back to your home screen and then you can open up your phone settings, or you can simply long press on your Messenger application and then tap on app info. So once you tap on it, on the other page you will be directed to the app info page. So over here you'll have to scroll down and then look for permission. Just simply tap on it. So once you tap on permission, and on the other page you'll have to disable some of the feature. So the first one is to deny your camera, and after that you'll have to turn it off or you'll have to disable your microphone as well. And the last one is you'll have to turn off or disable your telephone. So you'll have to tap on deny. So after you disable 3 of these options, you'll no longer be able to receive audio call on Facebook Messenger, which simply means that you have disabled your audio call on Messenger. So that is how you can turn off your audio call on Facebook Messenger. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.